Hi guys, my name is Anne and I'm a well thinker. A well thinker because every day I think about ways in which I can make money, maintain that money, and have a luxurious lifestyle and a luxurious future. Building wealth entails a lot of things, including the money that you make, the business of the work that you do, the lifestyle, and the mindset that you have. And that is what this channel is all about. I'll be talking about ways in which you can make money, the side hustles that you can get into, online business or physical business ideas that you can start, how time can be managed for effective work, how to be a good business person, how you can budget and manage your money instead of using it all at a go, how to make profit in business, how to have a positive mindset towards money because most of us have a scarcity mindset and think that only a chosen few, like Elon Musk, can be wealthy, which is not the case, and we should unlearn this. I'll also be talking about how to actually achieve your goals and so much more. As I said, building wealth entails all this, from the work or the business that you do to the money that you can make and the lifestyle and mindset that you have. And there are so many opportunities out here that anyone, and I mean anyone, can do. And if we just change our lifestyle and our mindset and think like a wealthy person, then we can all achieve greatness. Remember that if we do not change, then nothing will change. So let's all embrace to become the best versions of ourselves every day, and every day will become better than we were the previous day. And that is all I want for all of us. And there's a quote that says, greatness is found in the extreme. So if you want to be great, you need to go that extra mile. If you want to be great, you need to get out of your comfort zone. If you want to be great, you need to work that extra minutes. If you want to be great, you need to grab those opportunities. If you want to be great, you need to work smart. And most importantly, you should never give up on your dreams. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and let us build a community where we support, inspire, encourage, and motivate each other. And let's make money while at it. I'll be uploading videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next one. Feel free to watch my previous videos. Thank you for watching.